This is how to use the object tree on TradingView. Now you may want to clean out your chart, make it look neater, easier for the eye. So how do you do that? You either right click and scroll down to object tree, or scroll to the right. You see this stacked icon here, object tree and data window. You click on it and here you are. And by using this eye here, you can either make show certain elements on your chart. You can delete them. Command Z would bring them all back, so no stress. And you see the crossed out eye here that is orange. There's a reason it's orange. Drawing is hidden on current interval. Now, if you tap on this eye, it won't become visible like this one. It will open up the settings and you will have to toggle on the time frame to make that element, that object show. You understand? Let's do it again. If the eye is orange, drawing is hidden on current interval. We are on the weekly now, so when you tap on that, it's visible. The eye is gray, not orange. Clicking on it would make it hide. So this is how you play with the object tree on TradingView. You can even hide the price here if you want. The moving averages remain. You can hide the moving averages. It's pretty flexible. So this is how to use the object tree on TradingView.